AppMySite Tutorial for Beginners. So for a short explanation on what it is, this is basically a no-code platform that lets you create Android and iOS, basically mobile apps without programming. Although there is, of course, programming and codes in the background, you don't have to do it yourself. So to begin, you can open up the AppMySite website to pretty much get started. You can do this in your preferred browser. Just search for AppMySite and you'll be able to see this kind of page. You can choose to sign in. You can take a look at how it works at first, since there should be a video on how it works and pretty much other features that they will show you what it does. But anyways, you can go ahead and press on start for free and you can create your own account. You could either put in your email or a Gmail. So from the available options, you can choose whichever you prefer. But once you've logged in, you can go ahead and finally get started. So you can create over here in the top right by pressing on the plus button, or just press on the get started option. So you can enter basic details such as your app name and choose how you want to build it. So you're going to choose an app type over here. There's web to app, converting website to app, a Shopify app, WordPress, WooCommerce, or even a custom app. You could skip this part, but it's much better to do this, I suppose. You can give your app a name, or you can even make a website address. So this will be used to connect your app and sync content seamlessly. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and press on create app, which you will be able to add more details later. Now, it isn't valid, but we can skip for now, I suppose. So once your design and features are ready, you can generate the Android or iOS app build directly from the platform and prepare it for publishing. So most of it is just choosing whichever details you want, which should just be the easiest part. And while all doing that, you can be able to see the app itself here on the right section. So AppMySite allows you to add features like push notifications, analytics, and integrations with services like the WordPress or the Shopify that we saw just now. So when everything is finished, you can export the app, build, and upload it to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, so to make your app available to other users as well. But that's pretty much the general idea on how the AppMySite website works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.